Welcome, today in front of me POCO X4 GT, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner here on the power key of our device, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we will see how fast this feature is and that it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here so fast. I just with this really simple touch, I just think that I'm not touching it because it's just unlocked so fast and just so simple. That's why I just suggest you to try this unlock method. But be careful and don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or PIN code. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.